The realities are these, that we have waiting lists for social housing that are unbearable. I have dealt with people who have spent years on social housing waiting lists. I assume you have too. I'm assuming that you've met these people and these families. So as you brag about social housing delivery, just be very, very aware that tens of thousands of people who languish on lists know the real story. As you brag about housing delivery and you talk about downward pressure on rents, there is no downward pressure on rents. I've just given you the figures. A 12% increase on new rents, the highest since the RTB started to report. 5%, 5.5% for existing rents. This is a runaway train, Taoiseach. And I am asking you to intervene in a real and substantive way. And I think if you were really interested in giving young people in particular the breathing room to put together a deposit, to have a chance and an option to purchase their own home, or even to live decently in rental accommodation, that is the action that you would take. Thank you very much.